Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here and you're gonna learn about Object.assign method in JavaScript. So it is a method is used to copy the value of all enumerable own properties from one or more sources. So to the target object, and it will return the target object. So let me show you. So what we're gonna do is create an object and we will call obj1 and equals, what we do, a give it a value of 1, b give it a value of 2, and c give it a value of 3. When we're done, and now what we're gonna do is create another object, name it object2, obj2 equals, use the object constructor method dot assign method and pass an object of c is to 4 comma d is to 5, and in the another argument pass the object1, or also known as the target object. So when we do that, done with that, sorry about that, and after that we will log it on a console. First obj1.c. so what's gonna happen is the return c, because it doesn't have changed anything, and it's source 3 because it's taken from that directly because it already possesses that object. And now what we're gonna do, use a comma object2 dot d, and now it's gonna show 5. See, it's show 5 because it doesn't have that property, but you can take from that object. So this is a job of object.assign method. So that's it for today's video guys. See you guys next time.